Hello, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's cooking in Zahra's kitchen today? As you can see from the title, we're making grilled lamb chops. You guys, this recipe, it's so easy and so delicious. Just watch it for yourself. And by the way I'm making this lamb chop is Somali style. Maanta waxaan itusayaa sidaan u sameeyo hilibka oo loo yaqaano lamb chops. Hilibka ariga isticmaali kartaa ama hilibka wanka ah. wixii ku fudud wixii la isku daraayo tusaaya waxaa isticmaalay jab basal nuskiya jab ka sii jaray so I'm using a quarter of an onion and then a handful of coriander kadib kabsar caleen hadda waxaa sameey doonaa wax dhan la isku shiidaya xawaajiyaasha bashasha wixii la isku dardarayo dhan markaas hilibka ma marinayna waxaa diyaarinayno by the way, sorry about my voice, I've got a cold, but we still have to get this video through. Dedication. Anyway, so now I've added 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, Hilib Shiilan ayaa ku daray, iyo waxaa ku daraya 2 xabo toon ah. toonta oo shiidanna waa ku dari kartaa hal qaando isticmaal, ama toonta inta rabtid ku darso haddaad rabin ha ku darsanin laakiin and then add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, garam masala, which is mixed spice basically. If you have Somali spices at home, then just add in any type of hawash you have at home. Somali spices are called hawash, and it's a mixture of like different spices blended. And yeah, if you don't have those, then this is what you add in. I've made this recipe very diverse, so it's easier for anyone to make it. And then I've added a slice of lemon juice. You can add in more juice. Also at this point, you can also add soy sauce. I didn't have soy sauce on this day, so I'm going to have to add in water. But if you do have soy sauce, then I would recommend you to add a low sodium one. And by the way, you're going to notice with this recipe, I haven't added salt. The reason I haven't added salt is because these spices have a lot of salt in them. And you can also add beef stock or chicken stock and not add salt, or else you'll end up with very salty meat. And then as you can see, I've blended the spices to a smooth paste. The blending took at least 5 minutes depending on how sharp your blender is. And then just coat the meat basically. And by the way, I'm using 1/2 kg of lamb chops. So نص كيلو هي اللي بستعملها. حواشكي وشيدا نقدر بششي أكسونه إنه شيدنا ذو كبسر علين توح كستو. And then I'm adding liquid seasoning. So if you're using this liquid seasoning, which is my absolute favorite when it comes to meat, if you don't own this, make sure you go get one. Actually, pause this video and go get one now, because you need it. And it's available in all major supermarkets, and I'm sure you have it in your local corner shops. And then I am using a flat grill pan. This one you can find it in any shop, to be honest. I got my one from IKEA, so you can get it from IKEA. And then 1 hour later, here we are grilling our meat. You can also, if you don't have time, you can marinate for 30 minutes. If you do have time, then the longer you marinate, the more tender it becomes, so super easy. And then just grill each side for a good 5 minutes. Make sure your heat is medium low. If you make it too high, then you're going to end up burning your meat. You can also add in more oil if you want. If you want less oil, then you don't even add oil. If you like your lamb chops to be barbecue type, like proper grilled, then do not add water. Just keep on grilling it. We like our meat well done. If you like your meat medium rare or rare, then obviously you're going to have to take it out earlier. But this tastes, when it's well done, it tastes much nicer. And then you just cook that. This whole recipe took me at least 45 minutes. Including the marination, because I marinated for 30 minutes. The prep took me 10 minutes. And then now again, I'm going to be adding my liquid seasoning. This is the reason why I never added salt or anything with high sodium. If you're using salt, then I would recommend you to use less seasoning, liquid seasoning, because the seasoning is salty. And then garnish this with any type of veggies that you like. You might add in broccoli and stuff like that. I prefer it this way because this is a Somali style. And just a few bell peppers, chopped onion and coriander, and then saute that for a while, and voila, you have a delicious looking lamb chop. Literally looks like it's taken so much time, but it was super easy. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye bye.